Amazon is a very popular application, and you might be trying to figure out how to use the Amazon application or even how to use the website. Now, to get started, what you're going to want to do is you can download the website, you can download the application, whichever way you want. And when you get started, you'll basically be able to come into the application website like this. Now, like I said, the website app, they're fairly the same thing, but either way, it's kind of the same process. So number one, at the very top of the website and application, you'll be able to see the search Amazon option. So here's where you can search for any product that you want to. So if you wanted to go ahead and buy batteries, you can go and type in batteries as long as you spell it right, like I did, and you can kind of buy whatever you want to, right? So this is where you can search for it. You can see your zip code, your information right up here. You can kind of filter out which specific product that you want, specific reviews, single use, all sorts of things you can kind of specify it there. And you'll probably get some sponsored posts of some company telling you to buy theirs. But there's a lot of options here. You can buy in bulk. You can just pretty much buy whatever product you want to. When you see a product that you like, you can always just tap onto that product just like so. And then what you can see here is just a massive list of everything associated with this product. So at the very top, you'll get the description and all this stuff. You can scroll through and see all the images associated with that particular product. And here is where you can specify the amount of product that you want to buy, the price of it, whether it's in stock or out of stock. If you keep scrolling, you'll see a little bit more information about the delivery. If you want to add it to cart, adding to cart basically just means it's in your cart right here that you can check out later. It's almost like putting something in your grocery cart. You don't check out then, you just check out later. Or you can also buy it now if you just want to buy one product. You see a little bit more information about the people themselves. And at the very bottom, if you keep scrolling, you'll finally get into the reviews. So the reviews basically tell you exactly what people who bought this product, what they feel about it. So you can kind of read the reviews themselves, which are right here. You can read these reviews. You can see whether or not you like the product depending on the reviews. If a product is reviewed very poorly, don't even think about buying it. But if it has pretty good reviews, then it might be a good option. Now that's specifically within looking for products and seeing what product you like. That is like 90% of Amazon right there. So if you're looking for products, if you're searching for products, you can always search for them there. You can also tap on the search card, the little barcode option right here, and it allows you to go and take a photo of products or even other things too. So that is something that's really cool that you have the option of kind of doing here as well if you're really into it. Now coming back home, this is where the home screen is. Now within here, you have a lot of different products. It'll learn from your history, and it'll go and give you recommendations and products that you may like. You can always tap on one and see if you like it. Now, this second option right here is a little option that allows you to go and see daily products and different things like that. It's a cool thing if you're into it. If you sign in and create an account, you'll basically be able to see this option. The middle option is your profile. So within your profile option, it'll give you a lot of different areas where you can basically go through and tailor your account to whatever you need it to be. So within Amazon, there's a lot of things you can do, as you may know. So within Amazon, you can go and see all the orders that you have within this panel. Your buy it again if you want to buy something else. If you have any orders that are coming or that were delivered, you'll see it here. It'll give you options and lists. And if you have a gift card balance, it'll go and show you your gift card balance all the way at the bottom as well. So this is where you can manage your account. The cart option is where if you have anything put into your cart, meaning if you bought anything or if you added anything to your cart, you will see those particular things inside of your cart option, which again is a very nice thing to have. So you can kind of go through and just see all that information that you have there. And I do think that in and of itself is a very cool thing that you have the option of doing, because you don't have to check out then. You can just check out whenever you want to, and that's a really cool thing. Then finally, all the way at the end, you have these three lines. These three lines basically showcase this little option, which will basically go ahead and tell you essentially what it's going to be is all these little categories. So it's going to be prime, gift, and regulatory. If you want to search for anything, you can always search for something right here, and you can kind of just see exactly what you're looking for. So if you want to see inspiration or you want to go and make money with us or whatever the option is, this is just a huge category of different areas and things that you can kind of check out within Amazon. And this is another really cool spot that you have within the Amazon application. So overall, that's kind of how you use Amazon. There's nothing really crazy with it. It's a pretty basic application, but that's essentially how it works for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.